Hello everybody, this is take two. Welcome. This is Trish from Crazy Engine Treasures, and I got a box from JoAnns, which I already opened because I already did a video, but then on playback I realized it was really pixelated. I'm not really sure why, so I'm trying again. But let's get to what I ordered. So, I ordered 3 Red Heart Super Saver stripes and the colorway Polo Stripe because I love the jewel tones. This is a beautiful, beautiful colorway, and it's the only reason I buy this yarn is for this colorway. This is a beautiful colorway. It's absolutely gorgeous when it's worked up. Makes a beautiful, beautiful blanket. Gorgeous blanket. Makes a gorgeous top. So it's just a beautiful colorway. So that's why I have that yarn. Because I don't really like your Red Heart. Although I love the colors they have. So then I ordered 4 skeins of Big Twist Value. Because I wanted to try it. Now Big Twist Value is JoAnns' value line. I do believe. And I bought 2 colors. I bought 2 in burgundy and 2 in wine. And let's talk about these because this is the one that I opened up. This is a beautiful wine color. It's darker than that. So Big Twist is 100% acrylic. It is a 6-ounce skein, and that works out to 170 grams. And in that, you get 380 yards or 347 meters. It is a medium number 4. And what I like about it is it has this little chart that tells you how many skeins per project you need. Look at that. Let me try and get it right. For a blanket, you need 6. For a sweater, you need 3. For a toque or a hat, 1. And for a scarf, 1. So I like that. I like that. But yeah, that is Big Twist Value, 100% acrylic. And I opened this up because I haven't worked with it yet, but I wanted to, I'm making a blanket for my son, and my son wants the dark colors from the prism. So he wants that ultraviolet, and he wants that really dark violet and crimson colors. And so I'm trying to accommodate that, and I'm looking for burgundies and wines, and I got these and they're nice and dark. So I'm hoping they'll work with the black and the purple I've got, and maybe some dark blue, and we'll mix it all up and see what we get. Okay, we won't mix it all up, but I know what I mean. We'll make a blanket out of it and see what we get. And then I bought Big Twist Cotton. Big Twist Cotton. And it is 94 yards or 88 meters. It's 194 ounces or let me see, where is it? 55 grams. 194 ounces, 1.94 ounces or 55 grams. You need 24 skeins to do a blanket, or 3 skeins to do a hat, or 4 skeins to do a scarf. And this is soft cotton. It's not 100% cotton. It is 85% cotton and 15% polyester. So this might not work for what I had planned. I don't know. Maybe you guys can tell me in the comments. Will this cotton blend work for hot pads? Because that's why I bought it. It's going to go nice. It's a granite. It's called Granite Splash. Yeah, Granite Splash. It's dark. It's going to look awesome in my dark kitchen. But I kind of want to know if it's going to work for hot pads, because that's specifically why I bought it. I want to do some hot pads and some, yeah, hot pads and trivets with it. So if somebody could tell me if cotton polyester blend is okay for hot pads, that would be great. Thank you very, very much. I appreciate it. And let me see what else. It's soft. It's softer than Peaches and Cream, and it's softer than Bernat Handicrafter. It's soft. So I would make something wearable with this. I really would. So yeah, that's what I got today in the mail, which was nice to come home to, because I also got ice chiller from Co-op. It's ice cap. French vanilla and salted caramel together, because I like to mix them. Because I tried the French vanilla and it was too something. There was just a weird aftertaste. I like the salted caramel, but it's too sweet. But you mix them together and you get the best of both worlds. It's awesome. Brain. Pew. So yeah. But other than that, let me see. I am almost done this baby blanket. Let me move things so I can show you. And by almost, I mean really close to almost, but I ran out of yarn. So I have to get some more Bernat Softy, Chunky, and White to finish the border. But yeah, there's the baby blanket that I've been working on. And I started a new blanket for my brother Darren, which I don't know if he watches this, but if he watches it, this is your blanket, my brother. The start of it. It's nothing special. It's nothing special. It's just double crochet, but it's in this really nice Bernat blanket baby stripe. Bernat baby blanket stripes. Yeah. I bought this at Walmart for $5. I bought 3 of them. They're it's called Above the Clouds. They're super bulky 6, and it's a 10.5 ounce or 300 grams, 220 yards or 201 meters. I bought 3 of them at one Walmart. As soon as I realized how cheap they are, you know, I went to the other Walmart and they were priced the same way. I grabbed another 3. It's all they had. It's all they had in the city. But I grabbed them. And I got them. So I got 6 of those cakes for $30, which is a really, really great deal, because they're usually $10 to $12. Depends where you can buy them. I've seen them as inexpensive as $10.97, which is regular price, to as expensive as $12.97 at Michael's. So depends where you buy them. Watch your prices. But yeah, if you can get them for $5, gobble them up. I wasn't looking for yarn that day. It was just a fluke. I went down that aisle, and when I saw, you know, what they're offering for $5, and that was the only color they had for $5, I had to get it. So as soon as I got it, I knew I had to make a blanket for my brother. Something nice and soft and warm. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. What have you guys been doing? What's on your hook? Showing you what's on my hook. What was recently on my hook. Showing you what I got. Yeah, I'm showing you everything. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you've watched this whole video so far, thank you very much for watching. I'm going to have more caffeine and hope that wakes me up. Yes, more caffeine is always good. So I will talk to you later. And everybody, stay safe, stay healthy, be good to yourselves, and be good to each other. And I will catch you on the YouTube streets. Bye.